This video will take you through tax-exclusive sales tax and how to assign it to your products and services. What is tax-exclusive sales tax? Tax-exclusive means that your business's displayed prices do not include tax, and tax will only be added to the subtotal of sales at the checkout. For example, a product that has a display price of $10 with a tax rate of 20% will increase to $12 at the checkout. This is because the tax was not included in the displayed price of the product or service. This type of tax setup is usually for customers inside of the US and Canada. If you have any questions about the distinction between tax inclusive and tax exclusive, visit our knowledge base. If you are new to Glofox, there is a chance that a member of our onboarding team configured your sales tax settings for you. If so, you can skip the configuration setup. Important: before configuring your sales tax to prices do not include sales tax, i.e. tax exclusive, you should initially keep your default tax settings as prices include tax, i.e. tax inclusive, while you manually edit the prices of your products and services. You need to change the prices of your products and services to show the price without tax so your clients don't get charged for tax twice. Tips: when changing the prices of products and services, it's best to do this outside of office hours. Select a time when purchases are at their lowest. This will limit any confusion from customers. Have an email or SMS ready to alert your clients of the new tax breakdown. Write down a list of all of your products and services at their pre-tax price. Have this list ready to go so you can change your prices quickly to avoid any confusion. Once you have ensured that your displayed prices do not include tax, i.e. they are pre-tax prices, you can then enable prices do not include tax as your default from the configuration section of the tax settings page. Next, add your company trading name and tax ID number. These will appear on your customers' receipts. Now you're ready to set up and assign taxes to your products and services. Scroll down to the tax rate section and click Add Tax Rate. Choose a tax rate name and add a tax rate percentage. Select the products and services that this new tax rate applies to. Finally, scroll down to the Products and Services section. Click Edit next to the product or service type that you would like to assign a tax to. Next, select one or multiple tax rates. A tick will appear in the box when it is selected. Click the Save button and all of the ticked tax rates will be assigned to that product or service type. Once you have all of your tax rates set up and they are assigned to the right product and service groups, you can then add new products and services to those groups at any time, and the correct tax rates will be assigned automatically. A tax breakdown will be visible when you add a product or service to the cart. It will also be available on the customer's sales receipt, which they will receive by email. You can view the tax breakdown of all sales by exporting or downloading any of your transaction reports. That's all for now. If you have any questions regarding sales tax, please visit our knowledge base.